Bitcoin money cost essentially equivalent to $120.07 a coin. In every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The present exchange cost range, 119.07 125.31, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 123.35 in an unobtrusive way. The change for the most part was 3.28, 2.66%, which really is genuinely huge. Opposite rate, USD to BCH in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $126, most certainly greatest 135, truly least 117, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, April 3, cost $127, lovely most extreme 136, certainly least 118 amazingly. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, April 4, cost $123, most certainly greatest 132, lovely least 114, or so they really thought. Bitcoin money conjecture on Wednesday, April 5, cost $123, kind of most extreme 132, especially least 114, or so they in a real sense thought. In multi-week Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost $124, truly greatest 133, kind of least 115 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money estimate on Friday, April 7, cost $119, most certainly greatest 127, genuinely least 111, exhibiting that Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday. Walk, 31, cost $126, extremely most extreme 135, exceptionally least 117 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, April 10, cost $121, lovely greatest 129, certainly least 113 in an unpretentious way. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, April 11, cost $114, really greatest 122, genuinely least 106, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, April 12, cost $117, in every way that really matters, greatest 125, most certainly least 109, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, April 13, cost $112, really most extreme 120, in every practical sense, least 104, which truly is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $116, all things considered, greatest 124, kind of least 108 in a fundamentally large manner. Bitcoin money figure on Monday, April 17, cost $112, lovely most extreme 120, exceptionally least 104 in an unobtrusive way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $121, especially most extreme 129, truly least 113, which basically is genuinely critical. Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost $123, especially greatest 132, most certainly least 114 in an unpretentious way. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $116, genuinely greatest 124, kind of least 108, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money figure on Friday, April 21, cost $120, by and large greatest 128, genuinely least 112, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $126, essentially most extreme 135, truly least 117 in a genuinely huge way. Bitcoin money estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost $134, beautiful greatest 143, in every practical sense, least 125 in an exceptionally enormous way. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $135, especially greatest 144, beautiful least 126 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month Bitcoin money gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost $140, exceptionally most extreme 150, by and large least 130 in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $131, certainly most extreme 140, fundamentally least 122, which explicitly is very critical. Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, May 1, cost $125, sort of most extreme 134, all things considered, least 116 in a kind of large way. USD to BCH conversion standard genuinely equivalent to 0.8328 coins per $100 in an unpretentious manner. Today, S reach 0.7980-0.8398, which sort of is genuinely huge. The past day, S nearby 0.8107, kind of additional appearance how in 3 weeks Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $116, certainly greatest 124, by and large least 108, or so they in a real sense thought. Change for now plus 0.0221, plus 2.73% in an unpretentious way. USD to BCH cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a quite huge manner. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday. Walk 31 cost 0.794 coins, essentially greatest 0.855, kind of least 0.741, which generally shows that today, S reach 0.7980-0.8398, in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. USD to BCH forecast on Monday, April 3, cost 0.787 coins, greatest 0.847, truly least 0.735, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, April 4, cost 0.813 coins, exceptionally greatest 0.877, genuinely least 0.758. For the most part, further appearance how USD to BCH cost conjecture for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a fundamentally significant manner. USD to BCH expectation on Wednesday, April 5, cost 0.813 coins, especially most extreme 0.877, certainly least 0.758, or so they explicitly thought. In multi-week dollar to Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.806 coins, extremely greatest 0.870, certainly least 0.752, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to BCH forecast on Friday, April 7, cost 0.840 coins, really most extreme 0.901, kind of least 0.787, exhibiting how Bitcoin money cost exceptionally equivalent to $120.07 a coin, or so they by and large thought. Dollar to Bitcoin money conjecture on Monday, April 10, cost 0.826 coins, truly greatest 0.885, kind of least 0.775, which is genuinely critical. USD to BCH expectation on Tuesday, April 11, cost 0.877 coins, truly most extreme 0.943, least 0.820, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, April 12, cost 0.855 coins, kind of greatest 0.917, by and large least 0.800. Genuinely further appearance how Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost $120, extremely most extreme 128, especially least 112 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days USD to BCH expectation on Thursday, April 13, cost 0.893 coins, sort of most extreme 0.962, essentially least 0.833, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin